Hello friends, in this video I showed you how can you use a singTel dash point friends. Everyone know if you top up or you send money your home country or you buy something online or you shopping friends, so you get some free point. So today friends I show you how can you use a singTel dash points. So okay friends, let's see. I show you. First friends I open singTel dash app. So you see here friends, I have point 1022. So just simply click here. Okay friends, so you see here I just have 1000 point. But if you send money or buy top up or you shopping, so you every time have some point. And you see here friends, singTel dash 1 GB data. If you have 3450 point, so you have free 1 GB data. Use this point. And if I scroll down friends, so here have more option. And you see here have all friends, you can see here so many more. So today I just show you friends how can you use this point. And you see here $10 top up also have. This one need 5000 point. You can get $10 top up, just free $10 top up. Okay friends, I just give you demo. So you see here setup, singTel setup. Just I show you how can you use this point. So I just click here friends, and you see here my point cutting for this setup. So I just give you demo and use this point here. And friends, you see downside redeem now. Click here friends. So if you buy top up friends, so top up within 2 and 3 minutes you can receive free top up. If I have points, so I can buy this top up, but I know enough points, so I have just 1000. Okay friends, so you see here my balance point 272. If you want to use this point, so very simple or easy you can use this point friends. So if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.